Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this task. You will need a Torx T15 screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Having these tools ready will streamline the process. First, make sure your Dyson V11 is powered off and unplugged. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the battery before starting any repairs. Next, lay the vacuum on a flat surface, preferably a clean workspace to avoid losing screws or parts. Locate the screws on the back of the trigger assembly. Using the Torx T15 screwdriver, carefully remove the 2 screws. Place them aside in a small container to prevent losing them during the repair. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the trigger assembly using the flathead screwdriver. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. If you notice any resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. After the trigger assembly is open, take a moment to inspect the internal components for any dust or debris. A clean vacuum performs better, so use the soft cloth to wipe away any buildup. This is a great opportunity to refresh your vacuum's performance. Now, remove the old trigger from the assembly. You may need to gently disengage it from its position. If the trigger is stuck, double-check for any hidden screws or clips that may still be holding it in place. With the old trigger removed, take your new compatible trigger and align it with the assembly. Ensure it fits snugly into place. Once secured, reattach the trigger assembly by reversing the steps. Place the assembly back onto the vacuum and reinsert the screws you set aside earlier. It's crucial to tighten these screws firmly but avoid over-tightening, which could strip the screw holes. If you find yourself unsure or lacking the tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. We can assist you in determining if further repairs are needed. After securing the screws, give the trigger a test pull to ensure it functions smoothly. If everything seems operational, it's time to clean up your workspace. Dispose of any packaging and old parts responsibly. Finally, if you're short on time or tools, consider our convenient pickup and delivery at your home service. We can handle the repairs for you, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. We also provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and costs. With the new trigger in place and everything cleaned up, your Dyson V11 is ready to tackle dirt and debris once again. Regular maintenance and prompt repairs will prolong the life of your vacuum, ensuring it runs at peak performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.